Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Podcast.
Hi, friends. We are really happy you are here with us today.
My name is Emma.
And I am Daniel.
On this channel, you practice real everyday English with slow, clear, and natural conversations.
We help you speak with more confidence, one simple conversation at a time.
If you enjoy learning with us, please like this video and subscribe to Everyday English Podcast.
Thank you so much. Now, let us get started.
Okay, imagine it is Friday night, and we walk into a cozy restaurant. Feeling a little nervous.
Same here, but we can do this. First line, table for two, please.
Table for two, please. And if they ask, do you have a reservation, you can say, yes, under Emma.
Yes, under Emma. And if you do not have one, say, do you have a table available?
The host smiles and says, right this way. Then you can say, thank you so much.
Now we sit down. The server comes over and says, can I get you something to drink?
Oh yes, could we get water to start, please?
And I would like an iced tea, please. Easy and polite.
Then they ask a very common question. Are you ready to order?
If you need time, say, we need a few minutes, please.
We look at the menu and I whisper, wow, there are too many choices.
So we ask for help. Excuse me, what do you recommend?
If you want the best seller, ask, what is your most popular dish?
Good. And if you have allergies, say it early. By the way, I am allergic to peanuts.
And you can ask, does this have any peanuts in it?
The drinks arrive. Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, I am ready. I will start with the tomato soup.
Nice. I will have the house salad.
For my main, I will go with grilled chicken.
And I will have the burger. Can you make it medium well, please? And could I swap the fries for a side salad, please?
Great idea. And can we get one extra fork, just in case? Also, could I get the sauce on the side, please?
Perfect. One more super useful line. Could we share this?
Yes, we might share an appetizer. And if you change your mind, it is okay to say, actually, could I switch to the Caesar salad?
Great. And to finish, you can say, that is all for now, thank you. Then you relax and enjoy the moment.
So we place the menus down and we wait. Trying not to stare at the kitchen like it is a movie.
Haha, I always do that. And the server comes back and says, just to confirm, tomato soup, house salad, grilled chicken, and a burger, right?
And we say, yes, that is correct, thank you. That line is so useful. Yes, that is correct. Thank you.
If something is wrong, you can say, actually, I ordered the salad, not the soup.
Or you can say, sorry, I think there is a small mistake.
Now the server asks, would you like anything else while you wait?
Oh, we can ask for a simple extra. Could we get some bread, please?
Or could we get some extra napkins, please?
And if you want another drink, say, could I get a refill, please?
The server says, of course, no problem.
While we wait, I want to practice one more polite question. Excuse me, what is today's special?
Nice. And another one, what comes with this?
Because sometimes you want to know the side dishes. Does it come with fries or salad?
Oh, here comes the food. Wow, it smells amazing.
The server says, here you go. Be careful, the plate is hot.
We respond, thank you so much. Everything looks great.
I take one bite and I say, oh, this is really good. Compliments are always nice.
Then I realize I forgot something. Excuse me, could I get some ketchup, please?
Perfect. And I need a small change too. Excuse me, could I get the dressing on the side, please?
The server smiles and says, sure thing, I will be right back.
Another super real moment is when something is missing. You can say, sorry, I think I am missing my side salad.
Or, I do not think we got the extra fork.
And you don't need to feel rude. Just say it calmly.
Now imagine my burger is a little too rare. I can say, excuse me, I am sorry, but this is a bit undercooked for me.
And you can add, could you cook it a little more, please?
That sounds polite, not angry.
The server says, of course, I will fix that for you right away.
And we say, thank you, I really appreciate it. Haha, I feel brave now.
Me too. And while we keep eating, we can ask one more thing. Excuse me, could we get some water, please?
Simple, natural, and exactly how people talk in restaurants every day.
The server comes back with your burger, and it looks perfect now. Oh, thank you.
I take a bite and I say, "Wow, this is much better. Thank you for fixing it."
And if you want to sound very natural, you can add, I really appreciate it.
Now the server checks on us and asks, "How is everything tasting?"
We can answer, everything is great, thank you, or it is really good so far.
And if something is not right, keep it simple. Actually, it is a little too salty for me.
Or, it is a bit spicy. Could I get a little extra rice, please?
Oh yes, spice is common. You can ask before you order, "Is it very spicy?"
And if you want mild food, say, could you make it mild, please?
Let us practice together. Say, "Could you make it mild, please?"
And say, could I get the sauce on the side, please?
Nice. Now I look at your grilled chicken and I say, "That smells amazing."
And I say, do you want to try a bite? You can say that with friends.
Then we remember the appetizer we wanted to share. Is it too late?
Not at all. Excuse me, could we also order the garlic bread?
Or could we get an order of fries for the table?
The server says, sure. Anything else?
Another common question is about substitutions. You can ask, "Can I swap the fries for vegetables?"
Or, can I get a side salad instead?
And if you have a dietary preference, say it clearly. "I am vegetarian."
Or, I do not eat dairy. Is there butter in this?
Good. And if you need it without gluten, you can ask, "Do you have a gluten-free option?"
The food is flowing, and the conversation feels easy now. Wow, no fear.
Then we slow down and enjoy, but we also keep one eye on the time.
When you are almost finished, the server might ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
If you want dessert, say, "Yes, please. What do you recommend?"
If you are full, say, not today, thank you. Could we get the check, please?
And if you need a box, say, "Could I get a to-go box, please?"
If you are eating with a friend, you can ask, could we split the check, please?
Or, "Can we pay separately, please?" That is very common.
And if you are paying by card, say, can I pay by card, please?
The server says, "Sure, I'll be right back with the machine," and you feel confident. Ah, finally.
While we wait for the check, I want to show you one small but powerful word, please.
Yes, please makes everything softer. Even simple requests sound friendly.
The server brings the check and says, whenever you are ready.
And you can respond, "Great, thank you. Could we split the check, please?"
Or if one person pays, say, I have got it. I will take care of it.
"I will take care of it" is very natural.
Then the server asks, cash or card?
And you answer, "Card, please," or "I will pay in cash."
If you need change, say, could I get change for this, please?
Now imagine you want to leave a tip and you are unsure. You can ask quietly, "Is service included?"
Some places include it, some do not, so that question is helpful.
The server brings back the card machine. "Please insert your card."
And you say, sure. Then you can ask, could I get a receipt, please?
Receipt is a good word to know. Say it with me. Receipt.
Now we stand up and we say, thank you, everything was delicious.
The server smiles and says, "Have a great night."
We walk outside and I breathe out, that was smooth.
Haha, you did amazing. But wait, one more real situation.
Oh no, what is it?
You realize you left your phone on the table.
Oh wow, panic. But we can handle it in English. Excuse me, I think I left my phone at the table.
And you can add, "Could you please check for me?"
The host says, of course, let me look.
And if you lost something else, you can say, "I think I left my wallet."
Another situation is when you arrive late to meet friends. You walk in and say, sorry, I am running a little late.
And you ask the host, "My friends are already here. The reservation is under Daniel."
Reservation is under Daniel. Great line.
Then the host asks, "How many are in your party?"
Party means group. You say, there are 4 of us.
And if you are waiting, you can say, "We are waiting for 2 more people."
Now you sit down again and the server asks, still or sparkling water?
You can say, "Still water, please," or "Sparkling, please."
And if you do not know a word on the menu, say, sorry, what does this mean?
Or, "How do you pronounce this? That one is so helpful."
The server helps you and you feel supported. Ordering food is not scary anymore. Oh, it is kind of fun. The next day, Daniel, I keep thinking about how easy it felt once we used a few key phrases. Wow.
Exactly. And today we will do a new round because restaurants are different every time.
Okay. We walk into a busy place for lunch, and the host says, "Hi, how many?"
And we say, "Table for 2, please. If possible, could we sit by the window?"
By the window is a great request. If they cannot, you can say, "No worries, anywhere is fine."
The server comes over and says, "My name is Jess. I will be taking care of you today."
And we reply, "Nice to meet you. Could we start with 2 waters, please?"
Then you can add, "And could we have a moment to look at the menu?"
A moment to look is very natural, and if you are ready, say, "We are ready to order."
I want to order something simple, but I have a question. Excuse me, is this soup creamy or clear?
Great question. And if you want to avoid meat, ask, "Is this made with chicken broth?"
The server answers, "It is made with vegetable broth."
Then you can say, "Perfect, I will take that. I will have the vegetable soup."
And I say, "I will have the pasta, please. Could you add extra mushrooms?"
Extra mushrooms. Nice. If you want less, say, "Could you leave out the onions, please?"
Let us practice. Say, "Could you leave out the onions, please?"
And say, "Could you add extra mushrooms, please?"
Now the server asks, "Would you like an appetizer?"
We can say, "Yes, could we share the fries?" Or, "Could we get the bruschetta to share?"
To share is an easy phrase, and if you are not sure what it is, ask, "What is bruschetta?"
Another big moment is drinks. If you want something not sweet, say, "Could I get an unsweetened iced tea, please?"
Or, "Could I get a sparkling water, please?"
The food arrives, and I notice something. Excuse me, I asked for no onions."
And the best tone is kind and calm. "Sorry about that. Could you remake it, please?"
Or you can say, "Could you fix this for me, please?"
The server says, "Absolutely. Thank you for letting me know."
While we wait, we can still be friendly. "Thank you, I appreciate it."
Now my pasta is here and I try it. "Oh, this is delicious."
Compliments help the vibe. "This tastes amazing."
Then comes a common question. "Anything else I can get you?"
You can say, "Could we get some extra Parmesan on the side, please?"
Or, "Could we get a little more bread, please?"
And if you are full, say, "We are good for now, thank you." But keep one sentence ready for later. "Could we get the check when you have a moment, please?" The server nods and says, "Of course, I will bring it right out."
While we wait, let us talk about one tricky thing, pronunciation on the menu.
Yes, sometimes you see a word and you freeze.
But you can always say, "Sorry, how do you pronounce this?"
And you can point politely. Most servers are happy to help.
Another tricky moment is when the restaurant is loud. You cannot hear well.
Then you can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Or, "Sorry, I did not catch that."
Did not catch that is very natural.
Now, imagine you want your steak cooked a certain way. The server asks, "How would you like that cooked?"
You can say, "Medium rare, please," or "Medium, please."
Or if you want it well done, say, "Well done, please."
And if you are unsure, ask, "What do you recommend for first-timers?"
First-timers means people trying it for the first time.
Now the server returns with the check. Here you go.
And you can ask one more polite thing. "Could we get a box for this, please?"
Or, "Could we get 2 boxes, please?"
Then comes the payment moment. If you want to split it, say, "Could we split the check, please?"
If you want separate, say, "Can we pay separately, please?"
And if you want to put everything on one card, say, "It is all on one card."
Some places ask, "Do you want to add a tip?"
You can simply say, "Yes, please," or "I will add it on the receipt."
Another useful line is, "Could you charge this to my room if you are in a hotel restaurant?"
Oh, that is true. Travel English.
Then we stand up and say, "Thank you, have a good one."
Have a good one is casual and friendly.
As we walk out, I ask you, "Daniel, what was the easiest sentence today?"
Honestly, we need a few minutes, please. That one saves me every time.
Mine is, "Could you recommend something?" Because I do not want to guess.
Now, one last real-life twist. Oh, the server runs after us and says, "Excuse me, you forgot your card."
Wow, thank you so much. That happens more than people think.
And if you're the one who finds something, you can say, "Excuse me, I think you dropped this."
Nice. Okay, friends, we are almost finished, but we want to give you a short practice challenge.
Imagine you are at a restaurant right now. The server asks, "Are you ready to order?"
You answer out loud. Say it.
Then the server asks, "What would you like to drink?"
Answer out loud again. Take your time.
And the last question, "Would you like anything else?"
Great job. Now let us do a final smooth ending with natural goodbyes and a little confidence boost. Okay, Daniel, let us do that practice challenge right now. Oh, I feel excited. You be the server first.
Welcome in. Table for two?
Table for two, please. And, if possible, could we sit outside?
Let me check. There is a short wait.
No problem. How long is the wait?
About 15 minutes.
Great. We can wait. Could you please put us on the list?
Name?
Emma. Thank you so much.
Your table is ready. Right this way. Here are your menus. Can I start you with something to drink?
Yes, please. Could I get a sparkling water? And could we get water to share as well? Haha, I get thirsty.
Of course. Are you ready to order?
We need a few minutes, please.
No rush. I will be back.
Okay, you come back.
Are you ready now?
Yes. What do you recommend?
The grilled salmon is a favorite.
Great. I will have the grilled salmon, please. And could I get the sauce on the side?
Absolutely. Anything else?
Yes. One question. What comes with it?
It comes with rice and vegetables.
Perfect. And could you leave out the onions, please? Oh, I just do not like them.
Done. Now we switch. You be the server, wow, and I will be the customer.
Hi there. How are you doing today?
I am doing well, thank you. Could I start with the soup of the day, please?
Sure. And for your main?
I would like the burger, please. Could you make it medium well? And could I swap the fries for a side salad?
Of course. Any allergies?
Yes, I am allergic to peanuts. Does the salad dressing have any nuts in it?
Great question. I'll check for you.
Thank you. Oh, and could we split the check, please?
Yes, we can split it.
Now let us practice a mistake, because real life has mistakes.
Okay, here you go, your chicken pasta.
Oh, sorry, I ordered the tomato pasta. I think there is a small mix-up.
I am so sorry about that. I will fix it right away.
Thank you, I really appreciate it.
Friends, if you remember only 3 lines, remember these. We need a few minutes, please. Could you recommend something? Could we get the check, please?
And now, oh, the hardest moment is coming. The dessert menu appears, and your heart says yes, but your stomach says maybe.
The server places the dessert menu on the table, and I look at Daniel like, should we?
I pretend to be strong, but then I see chocolate cake and I say, "Oh no, that looks too good."
The server asks, would you like dessert today?
If you want it, say, "Yes, please. What do you recommend?"
If you are full, say, not today, thank you. But could we get 2 coffees, please?
Coffee after a meal is very common. And if you want it without milk, say, "Black coffee, please."
Or if you want a sweet drink, say, could I get a latte, please?
Okay, we decide to share one dessert. Wow, balance.
Excuse me, could we share the chocolate cake? And could we get 2 forks, please?
2 forks, please. Simple. The server says, "Absolutely."
The cake arrives, and I say, this looks amazing. Thank you so much.
We take a bite and I say, "Oh, wow, this is worth it."
Then the server comes back with the check and says, whenever you are ready.
And you can respond, "Great, thank you. We are ready."
If you want to pay quickly, say, could we pay now, please?
Or if you want to take your time, say, "We will be ready in a minute. Thank you."
Now we pay, we stand up, and we give a warm goodbye. Thank you, everything was great.
Thank you for taking care of us. Have a great day.
And the server says, you too, come back anytime.
Now, friends, you just learned real restaurant English that people use every day.
Next time you walk into a restaurant, do not freeze. Oh, just pick one sentence and say it clearly.
Table for 2, please.
We need a few minutes, please.
What do you recommend?
Could we get the check, please?
Say those out loud with us one more time. You can do it.
Table for 2, please.
We need a few minutes, please.
What do you recommend?
Could we get the check, please?
Amazing. If you practiced with us today, write one sentence in the comments that you want to use at a restaurant.
And tell us, what would you order?
Thank you for learning with us on Everyday English Podcast.
See you in the next episode.